Hello guys, you're here for another instalment from Force 15. So at the moment we have active Typhoon Soudelor, now a Category 3 storm on the Saffir-Simpson scale, with winds of 120 miles an hour. And the forecast is for the storm to intensify further, becoming the 7th Category 5 storm worldwide this year. If that forecast does play out. Currently all of the conditions are in its favour. The water vapour is abundant there, though that can lead and there's high sea surface temperatures which could dry up the air a little bit, because that's normally what happens, is high sea surface temperatures normally equals dry air. So yeah, we'll go back on to Soudelor now. So as of 1800 UTC, August 2nd, Typhoon Soudelor is a Category 3 typhoon, currently located at 15.6 degrees north, 145.0 degrees east, located 8 nautical miles, 15 kilometers southeast of Saipan. And winds currently sustained at 105 miles an hour to the 10 minute sustained, and 120 miles an hour to the 1 minute sustained, gusting to 150 miles per hour comfortably into Category 4 strength. Air pressure is at 940 millibars, movement is west-northwest at 13 miles an hour or 11 knots. Elsewhere in the Western Pacific, Tropical Depression 14W has now formed. And is now with winds of 35 miles an hour. Air pressure is 10-12 millibars. It's currently almost stationary, and actually is not expected to develop into a tropical storm, and should dissipate harmlessly in the next few days. Actually 2 days to be exact, from the forecast from the JTWC. That was as of 6 Zulu this morning, so it could have changed since then. So I'm pretty sure it hasn't. Now the JTWC still have it dissipating early on the 4th. So back on Soudelor, the storm is expected to pretty much make a straight line for Taiwan, making landfall on the northern part of Taiwan, possibly as a Category 5, maybe a Category 4. Still a very strong Category 4 at that, if the forecast does play out. And confirmation from the JTWC now that they have updated, the 18 Zulu update is out, and the storm is now with winds of 105 knots, which is 120 miles an hour, it's 120 miles an hour, Category 3 on the Saffir-Simpson scale. And the storm is expected to become a storm 145 knots, which is I think it's a 165, yes, it's 165 miles an hour, and the storm is going to be an interesting one. Early warnings from MIC office in effect for most of Taiwan, early typhoon watch. Still early days, the forecast track could change a little bit, but most of the computer models are indicating quite a beeline to Taiwan and the landfall on the northern tip before another landfall in China and possibly near the area of Shanghai, possibly still as a major storm, Category 3 possibly, but we'll have to keep you guys posted on that. And also, just basically stay safe, guys, out there, and I hope people have ridden out the storm in Guam, as the storm is just starting to clear that area now, though still under quite a lot of influence from the storm. Spiral bands are expected to leave within the next 12 to 24 hours, though we'll keep you guys also posted on that. Other updates coming out a little bit later tonight. Guillermo update will be coming out on Hurricane Guillermo. Just saying now that has weakened to a Category 1 storm, and we'll be putting out a video on that a little bit later. And also tropical cyclone formation alert from JTWC on Invest 92p, I think it is. Don't quote me on that. Well, it's actually now tropical depression 1p. So that could actually become a tropical storm, though I don't know as of yet if that will. But we'll keep you guys posted on that as well. So finally, so just ride the storm out, guys. And finally, Typhoon Soudelor Category 3, winds of 120 miles an hour, air pressure 940. And I estimate that the Ishigakajima island should watch out for this storm, as fairly small island and a very big storm. So ride this one out, guys, and good luck to everyone. I hope you all ride this out and there's minimal deaths as possible. Thank you guys for watching. This is Force 15 signing off.